There are 6 types of products that you can define using the Community Edition of Magento. If you have Enterprise Edition, there's 7 different product types. So those are the standard ones that come with Magento itself. So let me just go through what different product types and maybe what you would use them for. Okay, so if I go to Add Products, ignore the attribute set for the moment. But if I click on the drop-down product type, you can see there is simple product, grouped product, configurable product, virtual product, bundle product, and downloadable product. Let's start off with simple product. Simple product is kind of like the building block for most of the products that you will have within your store, certainly products that have stock associated with them. And a simple product is basically, if we have a look on the front end, a kind of what you see is what you get product. So if I choose a sun cream product, and I'll just choose this spray on sun cream. Okay, this is a simple product. And basically there's only one option when you buy this product, which is you're basically going to buy this spray on suntan lotion. So if I add that to my cart, let's say for argument's sake there's 100 of these in stock, add this to the cart, go through the checkout process, it will diminish the stock by 1 and there'll be 99 in stock. Okay, and it is that product that is the one in stock. All right, simple products also make up configurables, but we'll come to that in a moment. Okay, so the second product type, significant product type, is configurable product. A configurable product, if we have a look on the front end of our store, this is a configurable product. And a configurable product is where, from the customer's point of view, they've landed on one product page. Okay, so if you like, the product page they've landed on is the configurable, which is the parent product. The configurable itself has options. So in this case, we have color options and size options. So if I choose green t-shirt, we're going to be now looking at a green t-shirt. And if I choose the size large, so we've got a green large t-shirt. Okay, that product itself, green large t-shirt, is a simple product. Right, so when I add this to my cart, the product that actually gets added to the cart is a simple product that makes up the configurable. So for each variation, there is a simple product that's associated with it. Have a look in the catalog, manage products, and I'll just do a search for t-shirt attributes. Okay, so in this case, this is the configurable product, which is the parent product, but actually it is made up of 9 different simple products, one for each variation of color and size. And with those, the stock is associated. So you can see that there's a stock level of 10 associated with these. And there's actually no stock level against the configurable. So the customer sees this, and we put all our detail of what we want the customer to see on the front end in there. But as we go through and purchase a product, then the stock is taken away from the simple product that makes that. Okay, the next product type is a grouped product. So if I go into accessories, right, so this is a grouped product. And again, what a group product is a way of presenting products in an alternative way to the customer. So the customer sees this as a holiday kit. So when we define the product, we define what the customer will read and all of the details in the grouped product. So let's have a look at what that looks like in the back end as well. So we'll just do a search for grouped products. Okay, so there's the holiday kit there. So we define what the customer sees there. And what we can do in the group product is we can associate products with it, almost like a shopping list. So in this case, what we're saying is this is a holiday kit, and we're saying to the customer, look, here's some stuff that you could take on holiday with you. And actually, rather than having to go in individually one by one into each of those products, you can just define your quantities here and add to cart. These are advised quantities, so you can define that in the back end, but the customer has no obligation to actually commit to that quantity. They could quite easily go in and change this. So the way to look at a group product is it's kind of a way of presenting a shopping list, and all of these products in here once again are simple products. The alternative to a grouped product, and more sophisticated than the group product, is this option here, which is a bundle product. And a bundle product can be used in several ways. I'm just going to go into the sun cream category and look at a bundle. So we've created a bundle here, which is sun cream and after sun bundle. Okay, and we have a look at this bundle, and you can see that the customer can choose which after sun they want and which sun cream they want. And by doing that, you're kind of forcing them to purchase products in a certain way to make sure that the customer is getting a minimum amount of products. And then you can discount bundles. It's also a useful way if you've got products that make up a single product. So as far as the customer is concerned, is they're buying one product, but actually you have lots of products that make up that. Then a bundle is a useful way of dealing with those as well. We also have two other product types, which is virtual and downloadable. So a virtual product is something like an event or a warranty or something that doesn't have a physical deliverable. So you don't have to send, a delivery van around with something in the post. So if I take something like this event, okay, we've got this event here. This is a virtual product. So when I add this to the cart, assuming I have nothing else in my cart, it won't bother asking me for any delivery information. We also have the downloadable product, okay, the sixth product type. And again, if I look in accessories, we have this training ebook, okay, and this is an ebook that can be downloaded as PDF, and the customer will get access to that PDF once they have purchased the product. They can also look at a sample. It doesn't have to be for PDFs, it can be for images, it can be for software, it can be for anything that can be stored electronically really. You can restrict access to that until a purchase has been made, and in that case you would use a downloadable product. There is one additional product type for people using Enterprise Edition, and that is gift card. We'll have separate tutorials on Enterprise Edition features in another training course.